I got from a guy in Pennsylvania. It's a Troy-Bilt Bronco automatic transmission, and it wouldn't start. So I when I got there, I sprayed it with gas, make sure it was the motor was good. So the problem is the carburetor. I took the carburetor apart, and it's all gummed up. The guy never, winterized it. So I'll show you the carburetor now. I got it inside.
That's like, brother.
Alright, here's the update of my daughter's car. All-wheel drive is all in there now. I don't know if you could sound it. Everything's new, mint. See that? It was a front-wheel drive car. There's a front-wheel drive transmission. There's the all-wheel drive one. It's in there now. This car's a powerful car, man. Turbo. Yeah, I don't know if you can see the transfer case. Transfer case is there. Well, here's the carburetor. That solenoid was stuck. I freed it up. It's working good now. Now I'm getting the float, which is that white piece. Goes inside of here. That little gold hole there. The gas is not stopping. So I think I got it freed up now. I'm going to put it back together, put it on, and we'll see if it starts. I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back together. Another thing me and my brother noticed, the oil was too full. Carburetor's on, gas is not leaking no more. I spilled oil on the floor. But this thing was just about full with too much oil. About 1.5 quarts. So let's get it started up now, see if it's gonna run. Alright, see what we got. Choke on. Oh. There it is. Bad boy run. He's smooth. I just put the air filter on. Let's see if they it'll engage. It's engaging. $250. Special thanks. My brother Danny and his wife, they came and helped me use their truck. Let me use their truck to go pick it up. $250. Alright, thanks for watching.